Courage is one quality, when developed, creates a world of difference in everyone's life. Absence of courage is fear. In fear, we experience in life what we shouldn't, leading a false life. Major job of everyone is to become a warrior and wage war against fear that is locked up in us and destroy it completely. Even if the whole world is stopping us from doing our dreams, we can handle it. But how can we do our dreams if the fear from inside is stopping our dream action? So fight a battle with fear. Every time fear stops you from doing the good, stop listening to it. Do it by taking a daring step and move forward. Then your fear will be no more. What we avoid doing develops fear in us, and what we do develops courage in us. In courage, our life is an inspiration. Tagore opens his lines in a popular poem, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where the knowledge is free, where words come from the depth of the truth, into the heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Can we experience freedom, independence, faith, confidence, self-respect, truthfulness, service, peace, happiness, leadership, justice, equality, oneness, compassion, love, kindness, integrity, positive attitude, or any great quality in fear? Never. They can be experienced only in courage. To make you experience what courage can do in your life, let me take you through the life of Neerja Bhanot, who became the youngest achiever of India's highest peacetime gallantry award, Ashoka Chakra. Neerja, completing her education, got married and left to Qatar with her husband. However, the marriage deteriorated and she was back in 2 months. Neerja, being a symbol of courage, didn't reduce the pace of her life. She bounced back much higher from the setback by starting a career in modeling, and soon became an ambassador for many companies: Binaka toothpaste, Benza saris, Godrej Besto detergent, Viporex, Vico turmeric cream, and soon became a popular face on media. Pan Am Airlines decided to have all Indian crew from Frankfurt to Indian routes, and Neerja applied for the job, and upon selection, she went to Miami, Florida for training. She topped the training and was appointed as the head of the cabin crew. Doing modeling parallelly, she continued the job. On September 5th, 1986, their Pan Am flight flying from Mumbai to the United States was hijacked by 4 men. The aircraft had 365 passengers and 13 crew members. The hijackers' goal was to free Palestinian prisoners in Cyprus by flying there. Neerja realized the plot immediately and informed the pilot team, but they were the first ones to escape. But Neerja's courage made her to lead the situation inside. She never wanted the fear in her to win. The hijackers' target was Americans. They spotted an American dragging him out, shot him dead. The hijackers instructed Neerja to collect all the passports so that they could identify Americans on board and kill them. But she bravely hid the passports of 43 Americans on board to save their lives. After 17 hours, hijackers set off explosives and opened fires. Neerja courageously opened one of the emergency doors and helped the passengers to escape. She had every opportunity to escape first, but she withstood for service, giving freedom for many, which only brave souls can, and she guided them to the emergency exit. Seeing Neerja relentlessly try to help passengers, they caught hold of her while shielding 3 American children and shot her point blank. She could save the life of all except two Americans, giving new life to them all. One of the child who was saved by Nija got inspired by her and became the captain of a popular airline. She was recognized as heroine of the hijack. Later, she was honored with many awards. She had a victory over the battle she had with fear, remaining an inspiration for all, filling every heart with courage.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nisha. I'm a purser in the first class cabin. The purser in the main cabin is Rukhsana Thodiwala. On behalf of Pan Am and the entire crew, it is a pleasure to welcome you on board Clipper Flight number 73 to Karachi, with continuing services to Frankfurt and New York. Our flight time to Karachi will be 1 hour and 20 minutes. And we will be cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. Our crew will be speaking Hindi and German. If you are aware of any passengers needing assistance in one of these languages, please let us know. Thank you and good day.
Thanks a lot, Nija, for filling every heart with courage to lead a greater life forward. In courage alone, we live true lives. Thank you so much. Every day, in every way, life is getting better and better. Don't miss to be a part of Venus Skill Training Academy, as you can't miss life.